Hello, everybody. All right. Hi, it's Tuesday, and I am back bringing you another meditation. All right, we are here on a Tuesday, and it's time for another meditation. Um, I hopefully you guys are seeing these. If you're looking for them and you're having trouble finding them, just go to my Facebook page because I'm not quite sure if it's sending out a notification for me ever since my meditations got flagged. It looks like they're maybe Facebook might be kind of burying them. So, anyway, I'm still here doing them, and hopefully, you'll get some benefit out of them as well. And today, I thought it would be really nice to do just something kind of short and easy because I was talking to somebody yesterday who was mentioning that she doesn't always have time to meditate and she can kind of get a little overwhelmed with it. And I thought, well, closing your eyes and taking a few deep breaths is in itself a meditation. So today we're going to do a 3-minute meditation, and all we're going to do is I'll talk us in. I'm going to set a little timer, and we will just breathe together with our eyes closed for 3 minutes, and it's that easy. And when you open your eyes, you'll notice that you feel a little bit different, maybe feel a bit lighter, a little bit more relaxed. So, with that having been said, I am just going to jump right in. Before we start, just make sure that you are in a comfortable position, either seated or lying down, and that you have nice posture so that you can get nice, full, deep breaths in and really give your body all of that beautiful breath that it needs. So I'll give you a second to do that. And I'll pull up my timer because this really is going to be 3 minutes. All right, hopefully you have had enough time to get comfortable. And let's just start by closing our eyes. Notice how you feel as you close your eyes. Notice how your body immediately responds and starts to relax. Things start to soften. Your shoulders might fall back a little bit. Just getting in touch with your body here for a few breaths. And notice how your breath responds today. Breathing in and out through your nose. Is your breath shallow? Is it deep? You might notice that there's a lot of distractions around you today, and that's okay. Just focus on your breath. Let everything else do what it's going to do around you, but you just focus on your breath. Now what we're going to do, I'm going to start this timer for 3 minutes. And I just want you to think as you inhale and exhale through your nose. In when you inhale, out when you exhale. So in, out, in, out. And just stay with that, repeating in and out to yourself, regardless of distractions or what's going on around you. I'm just going to do this for a couple of minutes longer. Just 1 minute more, following your breath in and out. And for this last 30 seconds, let's take nice, full, deep breaths in through your mouth and out through your mouth. In, out. Letting it all go. And as that 3 minutes comes to an end, with your eyes closed, just once again noticing how your breath feels in your body. Has it slowed down at all? How does your core feel? You feel a bit more grounded. Just start to roll out your shoulders and let your fingers and your toes dance a little bit. Nice, big, deep breath. Out through your mouth. And when you're ready, you can go ahead and open your eyes. So that was very short. That was just 3 minutes once we really dove in, and you'll notice your body does feel different afterwards. And if you sit longer, maybe your body will become even more relaxed and more grounded, and maybe the mind chatter will go away even farther into the distance. But this is a really good example of all you have to do. Is just close your eyes and breathe. Even if it's just for a couple of minutes, your mind and your body will respond. So, Joey, I'm so glad you could make it, and happy belated birthday. Oh, and Frankie and Denise. Oh, I'm glad you guys could stop in. I'm always happy to see you guys. And Miss Brittany, oh, thank you very much for saying you love my meditations. I have been having a little bit of trouble, getting these to post. I don't know who flagged me or what happened, but I'm trying to work through it. So I'll keep trying to do them, and hopefully we'll get these going again, right? So I'm gonna do my best to be here as often as I can, and these are great to do anytime. But I think today is really important to remember that it doesn't matter if you don't have a half hour or an hour to sit down, or even 10 minutes. Sometimes we just need to close our eyes and go inward. And, it can be, anytime. If you're just having that kind of a day, close your eyes and breathe. You'll feel so much better. And I already feel better just from sitting for 3 minutes with you guys. And, yeah, oh, thank you. And Frankie said, don't get discouraged, Jess. Thank you. It's very strange, isn't it? Oh, Jeff said he missed me. Oh, good. Thank you. I'm glad you missed the meditations too. So you guys make me feel a little bit better. At least you're seeing this one today. So I'll keep trying. But either way, they're always on my page, and you can always go to jessicakinney.com because I try to list stuff there too. But I hope you guys all have a wonderful week. And if you have anything you'd like to do for a meditation, please let me know in the comments, and I will happily oblige. I love doing these, and I really want you to get the most benefit you can out of them. So if there is something, that you want me to focus on, if you're going through something and you think that there might be a way for me to help with that through meditation, I'm happy to do it. And Joey said, I definitely need my alone space when I do this. And I agree. Sometimes you just need to get away from everything and be like, I just need a few minutes to myself to breathe. Then you can come back and conquer the world. So everybody have a great day, and I will see you all very soon. Please consider sharing these with somebody that you think could also benefit from them.